Okay, so welcome back, everyone. I'll give you a little heads up. It is freaking cold. So it is like minus 20 right now here in Iowa. Luckily, unfortunately, we're about to be outside. So stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. Now we're in the unheated shop. Got a Impala with a dead battery. So that's right there. Obviously, we got to take these two 13 mils off. We're going to loosen that guy and just swing that out of the way. And then there's probably a 10 mil there, 10 mil there, and then 13 down there on the hold. So hang on. Okay, she's out of there. I just took that bar completely off, and there she is. So one out, 3 more to go. All right, let's see how much of a pain in the ass these two are. So I'm gonna undo those, and then we have 13 or 14s up there, it looks like. So I'm gonna get working on this. Okay, I got them out. Oh, okay. It's cold as hell out. So I got those two batteries out of that one. Now let's run to CarQuest and grab 3 new batteries and get these vehicles back on the road. So stay tuned, and I'll do a quick video of us getting these things going. Hang on. All right, we're back here, getting this battery put back in. You really have to kind of maneuver it to get it in these things. So we'll put that on there. Get that on there. We'll go ahead and tighten that nut. Then we'll put this other stuff back on. Okay. So I'll put it back together. Let's go ahead and move this off to the side. Let's see if this bad boy starts. Okay, what did I do with the keys? They're right there. And we have liftoff. Well, that sucks. We have a problem. Okay. Well, let's go check it out. I lied. It went off the screen. I'm going to go grab my multimeter and test it. I'll show you guys how to do that. Alright. Got my trusty little multimeter. So let's go back out to this Impala and check it. So we're going to go in here, start this bad boy. Still no lights on the dash. Pop the hood. Alright. So we're going to set it to that. We're going to shove this right there. Put the black one on the negative. We're charging at 14.8. So that alternator's good. So this charging system is working properly. So we don't have to worry about it. Well, for now anyway. So it looks like the new battery fixed our problem with this car. Customer will be happy. So I got a diesel truck with dual batteries that we got to go work on now. It won't start. It hasn't started for a few days, actually a couple weeks now. So we're gonna go test the batteries. I have 2 new batteries for it, so we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. So I'm here to do these other 2 batteries, but thought I might give you some insight of what my life has been in the past. Couple of years. So, if you ask me or my wife, we have 5 kids. We have 2 18-year-olds, 1 19-year-old, a 14-year-old that's about to be 15, and a 12-year-old. To put that into perspective, the 12-year-old came into our lives when he was 11. We gained guardianship last September. His older sister is 14. She came to us October 22nd of last year. And their older brother, which is 19, he came to us a few years ago. Now, I have 1 biological son, and he is 18. And then we have another 18-year-old, kinda. If you ask me, he's my kid. But he's actually my buddy's kid, and he lived with us for a while, and then he moved back in with his parents. And just this last weekend, my oldest, Jose, he moved out with his buddy into an apartment in Cedar Falls. So, not only is my biological son moved out a few weeks ago with his girlfriend, my other 2 oldest have both moved out. So now I am down to 2 kids in the house. It's kind of weird, which is a good and bad thing, I suppose. Antonio is going to start esports. It sounds like I might be the coach for that, so that should be fun. You know, that was big when I was... Video games have always been a big part of my life, so it's kind of nice to see all of my boys love video games. So that's pretty cool. My daughter, she's struggling. She was in state care for a couple of years, and I don't think they had her best interest at heart. So she's struggled a lot acclimating to family. So she hasn't really been in a school in 2 years. So it's been a chore, you know, getting her used to going to school on time, being there. You know, she does chores around the house if you ask her, which is fantastic, but I don't have my kids do that. All of my kids were forced to grow up too soon. So while they're in my house, they don't do chores. They have one... There's a couple of rules. But first and foremost, be a kid. Enjoy life. Because you're only a kid once. And I grew up quick. I was 17 when my son was born. Wasn't even graduated high school. Well, technically. I graduated early. I graduated in January. My son was born in April. So, other rule is don't be a douche. Don't get into stupid trouble. And tell me where you're going. I don't care if you're going somewhere. Just let me know. That way, if something does happen, I know where to find you. Like, my 3 oldest boys started driving their cars down bike paths. What the hell? But I'm telling you this because there's a lot going on in my life, so I haven't been able to make nearly as many videos as I wanted to. Sorry, that was my phone. But yeah, I'm telling you this because I got a lot going on, so I haven't been able to make all the videos I wanted to. I haven't started on the truck, so be patient. We got more coming. But let's get these batteries changed. I'm going to go ahead and get these done. I'll show them to you when I get done. Okay, we got these 2 batteries changed, and I got the charger on it. This thing is a diesel, so it's being a pain in the ass to start. If you notice, my earbuds are always in for the most part. I like to listen to music, keeps me calm. Right now I'm playing Dax, so shout out to Dax. But I'm going to go ahead and see if I can't get this big international bitch to fire up, and I'll be back. I won. So we got those batteries changed. Got everything fired up. So we're done for the day. Kind of. We're never done for the day. But I'm back in the heated shop. So I'm going to call it a day, and we'll get back at it another one. But for now, like, subscribe, comment, share your stories, build something. Deuces.